In this video, I'll guide you through how to book cheap flights on Kayak. If you're on the hunt for budget-friendly airfare, you've come to the right place. Kayak is an excellent tool for finding the best deals on flights, and today I'm going to walk you through the process step by step to ensure you get the best possible price for your next trip. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to kayak.com. This is where you'll start your search for cheap flights. Once the website loads, you'll see a variety of travel options like hotels, car rentals, and more. But today our focus is on flights. So click on the Flights tab, which is usually located at the top of the homepage. This will direct you to the flight search section. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to search for flights. You'll need to enter your departure and destination cities along with your travel dates. Kayak allows you to search for one-way flights, round trips, or multi-city flights. So make sure to choose the option that suits your travel plans. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the search button to start finding flights. After you click search, Kayak will display a list of available flights. To make your search more efficient, look for the cheapest option at the top of the results page. Clicking this will sort the flights by price, showing you the most affordable options first. This is a great way to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Once you've found a flight that fits your budget and schedule, it's time to make a selection. Click on the flight you want and then click the select button to choose it. This will typically take you to a new page where you can see more details about your chosen flight. Next, you'll need to select your fare. Kayak often offers different fare options, so choose the one that best fits your needs. After you've made your selection, click Continue with your chosen fare. This step is crucial because it finalizes your choice and moves you forward in the booking process. Now it's time to enter your passenger and contact information. Be sure to fill out all the required fields accurately, as this information will be used for your flight booking. Double check everything to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save and Continue. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through booking a cheap flight on Kayak. This simple guide has covered each step to help you secure the best possible deal for your travels. By following these instructions, you can save money and time, making your flight booking experience smooth and hassle-free. Remember, prices can fluctuate, so it's always a good idea to book as soon as you find a deal that suits you. Thank you for watching and safe travels.